So Margot, we're here to try one of your workshops this morning at Rémy Martin. So we're doing the chocolate and cognac pairing. So I see we've got 3 different types of cognacs here this morning and chocolate, which I believe is locally produced. Is that right?
Absolutely. We have our own chef here at Rémy Martin who is in charge of creating those beautiful structures for this tasting. And you see we have 3 different cognacs of the Rémy Martin collection in front of you. 3 completely different cognacs with different aromatic signatures. And the idea is to play with the different signatures of our cognacs and pair them with different types of chocolate. Because depending on the texture and the strength of chocolate, it will bring different aspects of our cognacs.
Great. And I see over here we've got a hammer in the corner. I'm not sure what that's used for. Can you tell me?
As you can see, this is a box. It's not full of chocolate, well, it's full of little surprises, chocolate surprises, to pair with our cognacs as well. So we invite our guests to break the structure with the hammer.
Okay, great. Thanks, Margot.